Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter surface areas and volumes, exercise 12.2, question 4 and question 5. The sum is a pen stand made up of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with four conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. The radius of each depression is 0.5 centimeters and the depth is 1.4 centimeters. Find the volume of wood in the entire pen stand. So there is a cuboid. It is 15 by 10 by 3.5. And there are four conical depressions like this to hold the pens. So here the radius of each cone is 0.5 centimeters and the depth, that is the height of the cone, 1.4 centimeters. So first we will find the volume of the conical depression. Radius of cone, R equal to 0.5 centimeters. Height of cone, H equal to 1.4 centimeters. So volume of cone, is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. That's equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square, that is 0.5 into 0.5 into h, that is 1.4. So this, if you calculate, you will get 7.7 by 21. 3 can divide both the numbers. 7 can divide both numbers. So 7, if you divide with 7, you get 1.1 by 3. 1.1 by 3 centimeter cube. So the volume of one conical depression is 1.1 by 3 centimeters cube. Now next we will find out the volume of the cuboid. So volume of cuboid, is equal to L into V into H. That's equal to L is 15 into 10 into 3.5. That's equal to 525 centimeter cube is the volume of the cuboid. Now we'll find out the volume of the wood in the pen stand. Volume of wood in the pen stand is equal to volume of cuboid minus 4 into volume of cone. So volume of cuboid is 525 minus 4 into 1.1 by 3. So what we get? 525 minus, if you calculate it completely, you will get 1.466. So we will get 523.53 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the wood in the pen stand. The sum is a vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is of 8 centimeters and the radius of its top, which is open, is 5 centimeters. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeters, are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. So here we have got a vessel. It is open from top. It's the shape of a cone. Its height is given. It is also given. Now the lead shots, they are the form of a sphere. They are given the radius of the they have dropped some shots in this cone. When they drop the lead shots, 1/4 of water came outside. Now we have got to find out how many lead shots were dropped in the vessel. So first we'll find out the volume of each lead shot. So it's a sphere. Radius of sphere, radius of sphere are equal to 0.5 centimeters. Volume of sphere, is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. That's equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube means r into r into r. 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. This, if you calculate, we will get 11 by 21 centimeter cube. So volume of one lead shot is 11 by 21 centimeter cube. Now next we'll find out the volume of the cone. Now radius of cone r equal to 5 centimeters. Height of cone h equal to 8 centimeters. Volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This, if you calculate, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square. R is 5. So 5 into 5 into h into 8. This, if you calculate, 4400 by 21 centimeter cube. This is the volume of the vessel, that is cone. Now, when they drop these net shots, 1/4 of the volume of water came out. So the volume of all the lead shots dropped will be equal to the volume of the water which has come out, that is 1/4. So volume of water that flows out is equal to 1 by 4 into 1/4 of, so 14400 by 21. The volume of water that flows out is 1/4 of the volume. So 1 by 4 into 4400 by 21. 4 can divide it, you will get by 24 centimeter cube. This is the volume of water that flows out. So the total volume of the lead shots is equal to this one. So the number of lead shots dropped, will be equal to, we have to divide this volume with the volume of one lead shot. So 1100 by 24 divided by 11 by 21. This is 21. This is 21. So this one, it will be how much? 1100 by 21 into 21 by 11. So this will get cut here, 21, 21. So 11, if you divide it, you will get 100. Therefore, the number of lead shots dropped is 100. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.